In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find Acuity Scheduling link. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to acuityscheduling.com. From in there, you should be able to see in here this part. You can click on this button right here, which is the Get Started option, or this button right there. So for this part, just head over and then proceed to sign up using these buttons. Now, if you already have an account, just click onto this login option that we can see right here. Do take note that Acuity doesn't require any credit cards, so that's a plus point in its favor. Here is my actual Acuity scheduling account. So to find your Acuity scheduling link, first need to be able to be signed in. Then after that, navigate to the scheduling page option. From in there, you can see this left sidebar. You can click on this link option right here. And we have in here our general scheduling page. You can also change its link name, but if you want to use this, just click on copy, head over to a new tab and paste it right here. And from in there, you should be able to see what your scheduling link look like. Here is what my scheduling page looks like into this part. Now let's head over right here again, and you can also have the option to change the link name. Just click on this option right here. Input right here the name that you want. Like for example, let's input right here Tiara Skeds. Click on save, and we have now this name. Click on copy, then head back right here and paste that, and then you'll be redirected to the same part of our actual schedule wherein we can schedule particular consultation or appointments with this particular person. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and just comment below if you have any questions.